Hey guys, this is Stephen Fillers in the garage. Today we're looking at Fastway's Flash E-Series HD ball mount. This is a great aluminum option that gives you some very comparable specs to steel. In fact, this is rated for 18,000 pounds of toe strength and then about 1,800 pounds on the tongue. So really, again, comparable specs to steel there. But you get all those benefits like you would get from aluminum, and that's going to be that it's much more lightweight than the steel options. But also it's corrosion and rust resistant, and it looks great in this raw finish here. This is actually a hand polished design, which gives you that really mirror reflection look. Really a great, unique design here from Fastway. Now the other benefits you can kind of come to know and expect from Fastway are the super easy adjustments that they offer. So it's very easy to get into a higher or a lower stance very simply in just a matter of seconds. And this does include a double ball, so you can flip those in and out depending on the trailers that you have. So if you're a person with multiple trailers, it's really hard to beat a Fastway offering here. And really it's just as simple as pulling the pin, sliding the ball off, flipping it, sliding it back on, and you're done. And you can also move this into the lift orientation just as easy. It's super simple to do. And this feeds into a 2.5-inch receiver, so a very common size in most HD models. This is made in the USA, so quality is a major factor. But also a quick tip, if you want to keep this looking great over time, just spray a little car wax on there here and there, wipe it off, and you're good to go. It's going to look good as new for the duration you own it for. Okay, so moving on to the installation, really there's not a lot to say here other than it is lightweight, so it's very easy to plug into the receiver tube. So really the only requirement here is to have a 2.5-inch receiver. If you've done that, then you're good to go. You slide it in, put the pin in, and you're done. Okay, so that's a wrap on the Flash E-Series HD ball mount. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those there. If you want more details about the product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and maybe click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.